Amigos. If you look up there, you can kind of see it. It's right up there where those antennas are. So
it's the only cloud forest in Monteverde that's actually free to go to. So it's going to be about 2 hours up there, and we're going to go check it out.
There's a couple of ways to start this hike. You could take a taxi down to the trailhead, but we're going to walk from downtown. It's not too far away, and we figured it would be quite an adventure. So to get to the start of this trail, you're going to follow Route 620 all the way from downtown Santa Elena. So right after that really nice viewpoint, you'll come down a hill a little bit. Hotel Del Mar. That's where you're going to take a left off of 620 and start going uphill to the trailhead. So far, we weren't really sure what to expect with the road, but it had sidewalks and we felt really safe, so that's a plus for sure.
So once you take that left, you walk for about 5 minutes until you reach the reception of Hotel Del Mar. And there's a nice sign in the background warning you to go down this dirt road. In total from town, we've only been walking for about 35 minutes, so it's really not that bad to walk, and I wouldn't recommend bothering with a taxi.
We've been hiking for about 10 minutes at this point. It's basically a dirt road all the way to the summit, as far as we know. It's not bad so far. I mean, it's pretty steep, but it's manageable.
It's just a grind.
Slow and steady grind. At this point, we've got about 500 feet of elevation left till the summit, which I think is about 150 meters, give or take. The road's gotten much steeper and a lot rougher too. I don't know if you can tell, but it's really muddy and it's really steep, so it's pretty slippery. Doing a lot of slipping and sliding, but still having a blast. Alright, we're getting pretty close to the towers. You can see them right there. Right over there. It's getting way windier, but we're excited. It's not in the clouds, so hopefully we get really nice views. We've officially arrived at Cerro Amigos. You can see the welcome sign here. We're gonna check it out. There's a lot of different towers and paths, so we're gonna see what's around and see if we can find some cool viewpoints.
So we found a cool viewpoint looking down at the whole town of Monteverde. Typically this is supposed to be in the clouds because it's a cloud forest, but I guess we got kind of lucky today with the views.
Nice. Cerro Amigos is about 6,000 feet tall. We climbed, let's see, about 1,800 feet of elevation. So in meters, it's about 2,000 meters tall, I think, if I'm doing my math right, and about 600 meters of elevation gain. My GPS says it's been 3.2 miles, and we've been hiking for an hour and 40 minutes to get to the top. So really not bad. Super windy.
So at the top here, there's the Green Hermit souvenir shop, and there's 2 men who work up here. They're super nice. They speak English, which is helpful. And they were able to tell us some other cool spots to check out here in Monteverde. So if you make the trek up here, definitely go say hi to them. They have coffee, tea, and a bunch of homemade souvenirs.
We were originally hoping to make this a loop by descending down some trails that are in the jungle. But after speaking to the 2 locals up here, they really said it's not a good idea. The trail is really hard to follow. It's really muddy and steep, and especially with the wind, he said a lot of tree branches and stuff are falling, so instead we're just going to go back out the same way we came, down the road again. So we follow this path a little bit, we come to this giant, there is a ladder, it looks like you can climb it, but we're not too sure, there's no one around to ask, so with the wind and everything, we're not going to take our chances.
So we've wandered around the top for a little bit. We've been really lucky. being able to find a bunch of viewpoints. Now we're gonna start the trek down. I'm a little nervous because it's kind of like this clay material and it's really slick, so maybe we're just gonna roll the whole way down, who knows? So we made it back to the bottom, luckily with no injuries. We're a little disappointed we couldn't go down the jungle trail, but definitely safety first.
Yeah, and we still had lots of fun, and that's what matters the most. If you guys enjoyed this video, check out our YouTube channel. Feel free to subscribe if you enjoy our videos, and visit our website, twopeopleoneadventure.com. Thanks guys.